Hello, so today we are going to introduce our new indicator that is called Smart Market Profile Indicator. So this is a market profile indicator which is normally known as a TPO, time price opportunity indicator. So this indicator is directly overlaying over your chart. So you don't need to open a Quantower TPO platform or a time price opportunity plugin or a indicator. Okay, so normally if you want to see uh, uh, the volume profile or a TPO chart, okay, you need a license. Okay, so without a license, you cannot open the TPO chart. So that is the main advantage of this indicator, that by using this indicator, you can directly plot a market profile over your chart. So as an example, if you normally you used to open this TPO chart and you got this TPO window. Okay, so this TPO window is a separate and it shows the daily profile. Okay, so let's say if I want to open any this nifty future, okay, so it will show me a TPO chart for few minutes, and after that it will ask you to buy a license. So we will see what information it will plot here at the after some time. Okay, so once it will check the license, it will ask you to buy the license. Okay, but if you are in the free version, okay, still you can use a market profile analysis that is called auction market theory for the volume positioning or the where the market profile is showing the accumulation, distribution, and all those things. So you can find those information related to how the market profile works in Google or any other blog. But we will discuss how our indicator is plotting over the Quantower charts, and how you can utilize for your trading decision. Okay, so let us see. This is the market profile indicator. You can load from your indicator, and then it will show like this. Okay, so let us discuss each point and what are the settings and what are the information it is available. So as I said, the information or the profiles will be directly plotted over your chart. Okay, and you can see all the price action along with the profile where the price is accumulating, where is the value area high, value area low, where is the POC. You don't need to draw anything. All the levels, all the boundaries are marked over the chart itself. Okay, so here is a separate TPO chart where you need to do analysis and draw the levels, and then you come back to your normal chart. Okay, but when you come to here, it is directly available over your chart. Okay, so let us discuss what are the settings available for this market profile. So we all know the market profile have the shapes of the profile. Okay, so this is derived based on the certain formulation of the candle. Okay, so you can set either 30-minute or 15-minute, that we will discuss in our setting. Okay, but if you see here, we have this is the current day live market is running, and in the previous day we have this profile plotted. So in our profile we can see our previous day value area high here. Okay, let me mark here. So this is our previous day value area high. We have already auto marking here. We have previous day value area low, and we have a previous day value sorry, this is the VPOC. So why we called as a VPOC? It is a virgin POC. Okay, this POC has not been broken yet. So this is the previous day's profile where market is completely distributed over the top. Okay, now in the current day the market is trading below previous day value area low, even previous day low as well. Okay, so and if you see here earlier also this profile, if you see this profile, this is the big trending day, and this big trending day have a POC which is located at the bottom. Okay, so this POC was a virgin POC till the price has not been reached here. Okay, so but once the price has been reached to this POC, okay, so it is taking a minor support here. Okay, so this is the highly accumulated or where the most time has been spent here. Okay, so it takes the support at this position. Okay, so if the price is holding this position, then probably market may move upside. Okay, but this is the where the market participants are highly active in this area. So that is the use of this TPO chart. Where is the maximum value? Okay, that is called a value area. This is the value area high, this is the value area low, and this is the POC. Okay, so this is all concept of a market profile and auction market theory. So what are the settings we have in our indicator? Okay, so if you go to this smart market profile indicator settings, okay, so what information we have provided in this indicator? Okay, so first of all, once you either get a trial of the indicator or you buy this indicator, okay, so you will get the license, and that license has to be entered into this license key settings. If you don't have license, as an example, okay, then you will not see any information on the chart, but you will require to activate this indicator. So once you get the license from us, you will see all the information in the on the chart. Okay, so now we have a profile configuration here. So in the profile interval, so we are let's say if you are trading a normal Indian market. Okay, so in the Indian market we have a daily calendar level. Okay, if you want to see profile which is related to weekly. Okay, so when you say this is the weekly, okay, so every weekly it will draw a profile. So you can do a weekly analysis as well, how the market has been traded in the week. You can do a daily analysis or a monthly analysis. When I click on the monthly, okay, then it will start from the calendar month, and you will see complete profile over here. Okay, so if if you are so this is the license. It says the license does not allow for the TPO chart. So as I said earlier, this you cannot see TPO chart after certain time. Okay, so with this our indicator, you can see the TPO chart directly over your chart. Okay, so as I said, this profile interval is a daily, weekly, monthly, or you can define a custom session as well. So when you say custom session, you will go into the downside and then you select your custom session here, combine. Okay, but mostly we will use the daily. Okay, but you can choose how you want to do the bigger time frame analysis or sorry, this daily time frame analysis. Then you can select the daily. The second option we have is the TPO period duration, okay, minute. So this is the settings which used to create each TPO. Okay, so TPO is each letter. Okay, so when you select 15 minutes, so each 15-minute candle will be used to plot the TPO. Okay, every 15-minute candle we have a one box or this one line or this the letter. Okay, the row size, the tick size you need to select. The more the tick size, it will be heavy on your chart. Okay, so just tick size is nothing but how much box size you want to see. Example, let's say if we zoom this, so this the small box which is represented as a one tick. Okay, so that tick size you need to define here. So always start with some 30 or 15 numbers and then you adjust it. Okay, it is just a more granular information when you lower the tick size, but when you lower the tick size, it will take a longer time to plot all the historical TPO chart. Okay, so value area percentage. So as we see here, this is the value area high and value area low. So normally it is around 68 to 70% that you can set the value area high and low based on your requirement there. Okay, so initial balance. So we all know initial balance is a market opening range. Okay, so if you see here, this the blue line which indicates as the initial balance. Okay, so what you can do here, once you select this two period. Okay, so when you select two, that means two candle from the market opening, the 15 minutes two candle means total 30 minutes. So total 30-minute will high and low will be marked, and that will be called as the initial balance. So that is almost like a opening range. You decide where the market spend its time. Okay, so once you set this initial balance period, you will have a target on the upside and even on the downside. Okay, so you see here, this is marked as a 2 times of initial balance, 1.5 times of the initial balance, and this is 3 times of the initial balance. So if the market break either of upper side or lower side of the initial balance, then market may get in the trend direction. So that is the theory of the initial balance. So we have given you an option, either you want 2 period, means 15 minute into 2, that means 30-minute high and low, or you can decide whatever initial balance period you want to see that. Okay, now in the custom setting session, so when you select the normal or calendar, okay, so when you select normal calendar, it will use the start of the market session. Okay, so when let's say this is Indian market and the market has been starting from the 9:15 a.m. So all the session will be counted from the normal calendar day. But if you want to provide your custom time frame, then what you can do, you can select when you go to here daily, and when you go to custom, okay, then you can provide here, let's say I want to see the timing from 9:15 here. Okay, so it is the same as the daily. Okay, and it ends at let's say 15:30. Okay, this is your custom time. Okay, but if you want to go with our daily and then normal calendar, then it will select this one. Now in our when you are trading in the CME, like NQ or US ES futures, okay, or any US market there, okay, then you can decide at what time RTH is starting, what time ETH is starting. So you can have a split of the ETH and RTH profile, and combine as well. So you have an option. You either you want to see the RTH profile, you want to see ETH profile, you want to see split, means you want to see both RTH and ETH, and you want to see complete day from starting from the ETH to the RTH. Okay, so that we will see in the NQ and ES chart. Okay, so you have an option where which profile you want to see here. Okay, now you have a display and layout. So in the display and layout, you have an option whether you want to see the left align profile or right align. So let's say I want to see the right align profile. So profile will be aligned to the right and profile will be aligned to the left. Here we have an option of the drawing mode. So in the drawing mode, you can see only letters, you can see only block, you can see auto, letter and block. So auto means right now, example, when you are in on zoom mode, okay, we can see the block, but as you zoom it, you can see the letters. Okay, so letter represents the each candle as the day progress. And if you want to see only outline, okay, so just you want to see the profile shape. Okay, so some traders use the profile shape to judge the previous day or the current day how it progress. So the outline is also possible. So we will keep auto, letters and block. Okay, you can split the profile layout. So right now the complete profile is merged, means all the TPOs are merged on the left hand side. But if someone want to see, oh, how over a period of time the TPO has been generated, okay, so you can split here. So each you can see the color candle. So initially blue, and then slowly it moves to the orange side. So it is splitted profile. So once you unsplit it, it will merge completely on the left hand side. So you will see the how complete day has been progressed. If you want to see or don't want to see the value area boundaries, example value area high and low, when you uncheck this, there are no value area high and low boundaries. Okay, here you can see the initial balance either on or off, and even the targets as well. Then there are some single prints. So single prints are the prints where the market has been moved without any consolidation or whether spending the time there. Okay, that is called imbalance area. The market has a very fast activity. As an example, if you see this area, this one. Okay, so this is called a single print where the market has been swept without any move, any consolidation or holding there. Okay, so that is called a single print. So if you don't want to see a single print, then you can remove that. Then this the red blocks or whatever color you select, it will be removed from there. But single print are used to find where the market was imbalance. So automatic merging mode, if you want to merge the profile, merge all visible, merge every n profile, you can merge it. Okay, when you do a merge all profile, so you need to be careful that if there are more historical data, then it will take more time to completely merge that profile. So normally you can also do a merging when you do keyboard controls. Okay, I will explain how to do a merging, but you can do auto merging. Normally we keep it as a no auto merging. And then we have an option to show the prior session levels. Okay, so this is the live market, and in the prior session, where was the value area high, low, and POC. Okay, so if you see here, these three levels are there. Okay, let me mark it, this one, two, three, and three. Okay, so these three level, when you uncheck it, then there will be no extension of the previous day previous sessions levels. Okay, so we just extend it, so you can find it where was the previous value area. And then we have a show developing levels. So developing levels are the level where the value is migrating. Okay, so as an example, this the dotted lines here are the developing area. Okay, so if you see here, initially the value area was on the top, and then slowly the value area is moving down. And even the POC, if you see here, the POC is in the red line, and the POC is also moving in the downside. That means the value is slowly moving towards the downside. It indicates that the market participants are interested in the down move. Okay, so it is the developing. If the price is move on the upper side, then the development will move on the higher side. So you can take a trading decision based on this value area marcation as well. Now, you can also see the current day or even none if you don't want to see any developing the value area, or you can see the all. Okay, so when you see the all, it shows the historical how the value is migrating on the upper side or where on the downside. Okay, so you can select it. So by default is the current day only because we are interested in the live market. Now, these are the smart trading features, means it shows what you want to see. Example, you want to see the IB extension line or not. You can, if you want to see the Virgin POC. Okay, so this is the POC which was here and that has not been touched or broken. So you can either turn on or off like this. Okay, show poor high and low. Okay, so poor high and low is another feature of the auction market theory or market profile that you can use to trade it. You can show it or to of it. You can show the buying and selling rejection tails. Okay, and open classification dashboard. So this dashboard is the open classification dashboard, which is a experimental feature again. Okay, so it shows where the price has been opened. Let's say today the price has been open here. So where it is previous, it is below the value area, means yesterday's value area, it opened above or below. Okay, it indicates that. Now it is doing the opening test drive. It is double distribution, means price has been distributed little on the top or even on the down. So this double distribution may change over period of time where the price is there, but most important is our previous day. Okay, so our previous day auction bias was balance. Skew is how much TPOs are above and below POC. As an example, 51% is below. That means 49% skew was on the, means TPO was on the upper side. So we show some dashboard information that gives a little help on your analysis of this market profile. Okay, then it comes to the colors and style. So this is how you want to decorate your indicator. Okay, so let's say if you want to see the heat map, let's say how the color, how the value has been moved. Okay, if you see here, the most value was on the bottom because the blue are earlier and the orange are on the later. If you see here, the orange one are the later one, and then it accumulated at the bottom. You can have option single color, blue color, whatever color you select here, TPO base color. You can have a by a period later, means the many colors, each period have its own color. If you have a value area in and out, this is the simplest one with the two color heat map, as I said. and the delta volume. So if you have a premium subscription, okay, of this Quantower, then you will have a delta. Okay, but if you don't have a premium subscription or license in the free version, you will not have a delta, so it will be show in the single color only. Okay, so by default we use this heat map, okay, that gives the visual representation. Then you can change a different color or a width of these profiles and colors. Okay, so this is all about the settings and this market profile indicator over the Quantower you can use for the trading decision. Okay, now let us see. I want to merge these two profile. Okay, so I want to combine these 2 days and then see how it works. So what you need to do, you need to hold the control button on your keyboard, okay, and then click on the profile which you want to merge with the previous day. Let's say I want to merge this profile. Okay, I want to merge this profile with this profile because I feel this 2 days is in the range. Okay, and then I want to find the overall profile. So what you can do, you just click and you just keep the control button press and then click on this any candle of this day. So once you click it, then it will merge a 2 days profile. Okay, and then we will have a new value area high, value area low. As an example, let me draw this one, this box. Okay, now this is the previous day, not previous day but previous session. What previous session? Merge of these 2 day, we will have this value area. Okay, so if you want to do unmerge, okay, so what you can do, come back to the day which you have merged. So which day? This one. So what I will do, I will click control button on the keyboard and just click anywhere in this day, then it will do unmerge. Okay, so this is the quickest way to do a merging and unmerging. I will click here. Let's say I want to merge with the previous one. I will click here again, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Okay, so this is the fastest way to do a profile analysis. Okay, now let us split it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we back it again. So this is the keyboard shortcut which you can use with the keyboard and mouse. Press the control button. Let's say press the control button and again. Okay, so it will split and unsplit. So when you do unzoom, okay, like let's say here you are not able to see the complete day analysis as we see here. So what you need to do, you just do a little zoom. Okay, then you will see the detail. When you do unzoom, we just hide all the details to minimize the clutter on your chart. Okay, so this is the way how you can do. Now let me open the another symbol just to see how it works. Let's say this is a stock in Indian market. Okay, I'll remove this one and let the stock load and all the data is available. Okay, this is says the volume analysis is not available because we haven't delta settings in our indicator. You can simply close it. Now you can see how the value has been migrated from the top to bottom and you do a volume analysis. Okay, so this is the way you can do analysis of the market profile. Now let us see how it works in the ES and NQ US futures. Okay, so let us open that charts. Okay, so now we are on the micro NQ chart. Okay, so here you can see this is a MNQ chart and you can use the same value area high low marking with the market profile. Okay, so what is the difference here? The difference here is you can set your timing here. Okay, let us see uh, if you are in a different session. Okay, so let's say if you want to have a this custom session, example daily. Okay, or you want to decide a custom session, so you can set it here. Now let us see how we can do a split RTH and ETH. So right now what we have given here, the RTH is starting at the 1900 and ending at the 230. Okay, so the RTH session is shown here. Okay, which is starting at the evening session from as per my time frame. Okay, so you need to provide the timing here, ETH and RTH, as per your local timing. Okay, so if you are in the US, then you provide your timing, and if you are in the Australia, you provide your timing. Okay, so that is the way you can do a different session, or a combined session profiles. Okay, so right now it is in the split RTH and ETH mode. Let's say if you combine the RTH and ETH, okay, then you will have a complete day. Okay, so starting from the ETH session till the end of the RTH session. So what it will be? It will be from my time, morning 3:30 till the 2:30. The complete day profile will be there. If you want to see only RTH, okay, then this ETH session will not show. Example, right now ETH is running, but it will not show any profile there. Only RTH profile is there. If you are only interested in ETH profile, you can see the ETH profile. Okay, so this is your choice how you want to see the profile. Okay, if you want to see both, that you can split both RTH and ETH, and if you both combine, and then it is the combine. So this is only difference between how you use the different ETH RTH profile by providing the time as per the your local timing. So this is all about the market profile indicator, and the best thing is that you can see the price action along with the market distribution. Either it is in balance, either it is in the trending day where the price is accumulating or the price is spending more time. So if you want to try this indicator, you can send us an email, or you can read the complete documentation which is available in our website. So let us go through that website. So this is the smart market profile indicator, and the website is here. The link is given in the description. So it will give you all the information how the market profile and session mode and complete screenshot along with all the settings and what you can do use. Okay, so how you can do a merging, how you can utilize this for your trading application. Okay, so this is not a buy or sell signal, but it helps you to decide the trading decision, where the point POC is there, where the value area high and low, where the value is migrating. And this open classification dashboard is also available, as we seen earlier, that is in the experimental phase. And you can see what is open location, what is open type, day type, and TPO imbalance, how the percentage TPOs Q will help you, where the price is accepting above bullish acceptance or distribution or accumulation, or bearish acceptance, means price is discovering its new area. Okay, then auction buy, then you have all the settings. We have also provided the screenshots. Okay, so when you go to the screenshots, there are many settings, screenshot or a different view are given. Okay, so you can go through this how it works. And if you want to try this indicator, please contact us, and then we will provide you a trial. Okay, so I hope this market profile indicator will be helpful to you over the chart compared to the separate TPO. Okay, so see you. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.